If you're still relying on cheap earbuds or that old headset you bought 8 years ago, stop scrolling. You are fundamentally losing in every competitive game you play on PS5. Why? Because you're missing out on perfect spatial audio, battery life that lasts for days, and mic clarity that doesn't sound like you're talking from a tin can. We're fixing that right now. We're starting with the headset that is the ultimate budget and portability king, the Logitech G435 Lightspeed. This one's for anyone who hates heavy, bulky headsets. It's ridiculously lightweight and comes with dual connectivity, both Lightspeed wireless, great for PS5, and standard Bluetooth, great for mobile. The standout benefit is the combination of its low profile, built-in dual mics, and 18-hour battery life, making it an absolute winner for casual gamers and streamers. The drawback? It doesn't offer the deep, resonant bass or the precise EQ control of the premium models, and the built-in mics aren't as clear as boom mics. But for its price and portability, this is the best value for money headset. But wait till you hear the next one's battery life. We pivot to the entry-level premium experience with the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1. While this is a wired headset, so no battery issues, it's the gateway to professional audio quality. It uses SteelSeries renowned hi-fi drivers and is engineered specifically to maximize PS5's 360-degree spatial audio capabilities. The standout benefit is the comfort and durability. It features the iconic comfort design and is ultra-lightweight, making it feel like it's barely there, even after 8 hours. It also has a noise-canceling microphone that retracts completely into the ear cup. The drawback is simply that it's wired. For many PS5 players, wireless freedom is non-negotiable. But if you demand latency-free audiophile-grade sound quality at a fantastic price, the Nova 1 is the most professional wired option. Now let's unveil the wireless champion. We have the gold standard in gaming comfort, the HyperX Cloud III wireless. This is for the player who never leaves the couch. The Cloud series is famous for its plush design, and the Cloud III is no different, featuring thick, luxurious memory foam and a highly durable, flexible frame. The standout benefit is the massive 53mm angled drivers paired with DTS spatial audio support, which delivers truly directional sound. Perfect for hearing those footsteps in Call of Duty or the subtle cues in Elden Ring. It also boasts an incredible 120-hour battery. The drawback? While it supports PS5, its 2.4 GHz dongle is primarily optimized for PC use, so deep configuration often requires jumping back to your desktop. However, for sheer in-game audio detail and comfort, this headset is unbeatable. But can it compete with the leaders in audio science? The Turtle Beach Stealth 600 wireless multi-platform headset. This headset is the true multi-system warrior. It uses amplified audio to deliver an incredible punch for immersive action, whether you're on PS5, Xbox, or PC. The standout benefit here is the sheer endurance, an absolutely massive 80-hour battery life. Seriously, you charge this thing maybe once every 2 weeks. It also features dual connectivity via 2.4 GHz for low-latency PS5 gameplay and Bluetooth for chatting on your phone simultaneously. The drawback is that the ear cups can run a bit warm during those long 80-hour sessions, and the noise-canceling mic is great, but not quite broadcast quality. It's still a solid choice for the console hopper who needs endless power. Now let's talk about pure comfort. The headset that is redefining wireless gaming audio in 2026, combining everything we loved about the other models into one flawless package, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 P wireless multi-system gaming headset. This is our #1 pick because it solves every problem. It features neodymium magnetic drivers for pristine sound, an enormous 60-hour battery, and the critical Clearcast Gen 2.x mic for studio-quality voice clarity. The killer feature, though, is the 100+ audio presets accessible via its software. You can switch audio EQs based on the specific game you're playing, perfectly tuned for Fortnite, FIFA, or Final Fantasy. It supports both 2.4 GHz for PS5 and Bluetooth for mobile, making it the most versatile and best-sounding choice for serious console players. All 5 of these top-rated PS5 headsets, along with the latest deals and pricing on Amazon, are linked right now in the description below. If you found this honest review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more unbiased tech reviews. Upgrade your audio, upgrade your game. I'll catch you next time.